Heating and Air Conditioning of Las Vegas is a full-service air conditioning company dedicated to providing you with fast, 2-hour service to your door. Supplying the needs of both residential and commercial customers in the Las Vegas and Henderson areas, whether you are in need of quick heating or air conditioning repair or are considering having a new system installed, we have the staff and the experience to tackle the job head-on. Our highly trained and skilled HVAC technicians are dedicated to providing top-notch, unparalleled service. Give us a call today and find out why so many people consider us one of the best AC companies in Las Vegas.